Hey there, this is Hunter. I'm an online English tutor, and I'm here to give you some tips on how to improve your English. Did you know that the word wear can be used in all sorts of different ways and not just to talk about clothes? Well, let me show you. For example, you can say, she decided to wear her grandma's vintage necklace, feeling a sense of pride and connection to her family history. Or you can say, he always wears a smile on his face, brightening up everyone's day. You can also say, the vibrant colors she chose to wear for the party made her look absolutely stunning. You could also say, she wears her heart on her sleeve, and her honesty and openness are truly admirable. You can also say, he wore the medal with honor, a testament to his hard work and dedication. You could say, she loves to wear flowers in her hair, giving her a fresh and cheerful look. You can also say, she loves to wear bold makeup for special occasions, feeling glamorous and expressive. You could also say, he decided to wear the fragrance his partner loves, making their date night extra special. You could also say, she loves to wear her hair in braids, appreciating the intricate beauty of the style. You can also say, she wears her Lucky Charm bracelet, believing in its positive influence. That's it for today. If you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. Also, now that it's summer, don't forget to wear your sunglasses. When learning English, there are many things you will have to learn: vocabulary, phonics, grammar, etc. The fastest way to learn these things would be through conversation. Through conversation, you can quickly grasp the idea of words and how to better use them. I am always happy to listen to what you have to say. If you are interested in booking a lesson, please feel free to DM me. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.